Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix iPhone swipe up not working after iOS 17 update. So how to fix this issue? Swipe up is not working on iPhone. So first you have clean iPhone screen. To fix iPhone swipe up not working, cleaning iPhone screen may do the trick because some dust and particles on your iPhone may result is in some troubles with touch, which may make your iPhone will not swipe up. It is a simple for you clean iPhone screen before starting. Make sure you turn the iPhone off and then unplugged all connected cables. Then you should get a clean and untouched cloth or tissue paper with some water. Lastly, you can begin gently wiping on your device screen from the top to the end. This method can help you erase the debris and dust on your iPhone, but you have to be careful. Immediately careful then you have the screen because you are not allowed to let one drops of water get into any opening on your device. Then second solution, you have update iOS latest versions. You have open the setting, click on general, click on software update. iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed on your iPhone. Then third solution, you have restarted your iPhone. So then you have press the volume up button, volume down button, press the power button. When you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait. Then your mobile is restarted, then your problem will be fixed. Third solution, you have reset all settings. So you have open the setting, scroll up, then you have click on general, click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all setting, iPhone given a passcode, and then enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all setting on your iPhone. Then you have an Apple Access or lock screen, head to touch ID and passcode and input the passcode to screen lock, slide down and then click the control center, turn off the switch, then your problem will be fixed and 100% working on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube.